Show with the aid of a ray diagram how a right-angled isosceles prism can be used to invert the rays. How should the ray fall on the prism? And second one, which phenomenon is responsible for this action of prism, and what is the nature of the image in relation to the object? So remember, we had done earlier a diagram wherein it cannot be 90 degrees, so I can't take it. So we can't take it here. So we have to draw a 90 degree. Okay. See, if it is a 90 degree isosceles, 45 and 45. The question they are asking, how should the ray fall on the prism so that it is inverted ray? How a right angle isosceles prism can be used to invert a ray. So remember, we had done that. Invert means, okay, that is if the ray is going this way, they come back. Okay, we can do it like this. Is the ray of light going this way? Fine. And after that it will refract, so it is difficult to draw like that. Okay, I'll just put the picture here directly and explain that to you. Okay, it will take time also. So fine, you can see that. So we will remember, we have done in the previous introduction part that if the ray of light is falling 90 degree here from the hypotenuse, right, then we know that this angle will be 45, this is going to be 90, so this will be 45. If this is 45, the total angle of here from here to here normal is 90 degree, so this angle of incidence here inside it will be 45 degree. If this is 45, it is more than 42 degree, so it will go through total internal reflection and pass like this. Is it okay? These two rays are parallel here. Remember, these two lines are parallel. So what will happen as a result? You can see once it hits it here, right? This is also 45. This is also 90. This also will be 45. If this is 45, then this will be 45 because total has to be 90 degree. So 90, and then it will go this more than 42 degree. It will go through total internal reflection and making angle 45 degree come out here. So you can find these two rays are parallel. You have to just draw this. It's going in, coming out like that. Same way the other side. If it was the object was inverted, now you see it is erect. But again, it is, the question is how should the ray fall in the prism so that it is used to invert the ray, right? Invert the ray. So yes, it is inverting the ray. We have done that earlier. This was through 180 degree. Remember, in that figure we had done this way, is going like this and coming like this. Remember, here it is in this manner. Same thing, no issue. Next is which phenomenon is responsible for the angle for this action of prism. So which is there? So it is total internal reflection. What is that? Total internal reflection. This is why it is happening. What is the nature of the image in relation to the object? Nature of the image is same size, and first is same size, and second it is inverted. Is it clear? Same size and inverted. You can write that nature of the image in relation to the object here, right? And brightness will be the same because there is nothing lost in as an intensity of the light in it. So this is how we have to solve the second question, right?